Okay, we're back for another lesson. Here we have a Go Math for 5th grade, Chapter 3 in the practice workbook, page P65. And here to demonstrate how to do this problem using benchmarks by estimating for problem number 8. Here's our 5th grade student. She's going to teach the lesson. Okay, Ariel.
So let's get started on number 8, but we always have to remember when we are dealing with estimating decimals and like trying to see what the answer is, you always want to make sure you read what it's asking you and underline the keywords.
Very good, Ariel.
Let's start on number 8. You have a whole
Excuse
number.
me, Miss Ariel, may I ask you a question?
Yes.
What is the difference between rounding to the estimate and benchmarks to the estimate?
When you round to the estimate, you are using the whole number and looking at the next number to see if it's bigger or less than.
Okay.
When you use benchmarks, you are using a line graph, and it has numbers to see what it's close to.
Got you. And that's not using the whole numbers, that we're actually using
the tenths and hundredths.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you.
So let's go to start on number 8.
Okay.
16 and 18 hundredths. So what you would do is you're going to use benchmarks. So you could use your graph and you'd see what it's close to. In this case, it is close to 0.25, but you would not just write 0.25 here. It would be 16 and 25 hundredths.
Very good.
Let's go.
16.25. And let me just clarify, make sure everyone is clear. So Ariel, she got the point 0.25 because looking at the benchmark graph, the 18 here is closest to, the 18 is closest to 25. So she rounded to the closest benchmark, which is 0.25. And that is how she got 16.25. Okay, Ariel.
You don't want to just put 0.25 because you leave the whole number out.
Yeah, you can't leave that.
You need to add the 16 and 25 hundredths.
Excellent.
Let's go on to this one.
Right.
Same thing. This, if we look on our little benchmark graph,
Yes.
this would be, it would be
0.94 is closest to 1, correct?
1. I'd like to think of it as $1.
Very good.
And it would be 6.00. It would be 6.00 because you need a round up.
Correct. Because the 94 here is closest to 1 whole. Therefore, we have to change the whole number here to 1 higher, which is 6, and that's exactly what Ariel got here. She got 16.25, and she's subtracting, don't forget to look at your signs, minus 6. Okay, Ariel, go ahead and do that for us.
We now need to subtract. Always make sure to look at if you're adding and subtracting. You should get 10 and 25 hundredths.
Very good. 10.25 is her answer, and that is correct. Fantastic, Ariel. Thank you for teaching us that lesson.
No problem.